Protest erupted across occupied Kashmir today as the demonstrators expressed their outrage over the recent sacrilegious remarks made by the Hindutva priest Yati Narsinghanand. People took to the streets at the various places across the Jammu region and the Kashmir Valley following the congregational Friday prayers, demanding the Hindu priest's immediate arrest and calling for the stringent legal action against him. Call for the protest was given by the all-party Hurriyat conference. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh-driven ideology poses a significant threat to the Muslims in India and occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said that the anti-Muslim sentiments have surged in India under Modi as the Hindutva activists are systematically targeting the Muslims across India. Delhi High Court Tribunal has validated the ban imposed on the Jamaat-e-Islami Jammu and Kashmir for its involvement in the pro-freedom activities in occupied Kashmir. The Indian court described and claimed it prejudicial to the internal security and the public order, having the potential to disrupt the unity and integrity of India. President of People's Democratic Party, Mehbooba Mufti, has congratulated the National Conference on its victory in the occupied Kashmir Assembly elections. Mufti, addressing a news conference in Srinagar, urged the Indian government to refrain from interfering in the affairs of the upcoming NC-Congress alliance. Hindutva outfit Devbhoomi Sangharsh Samiti has launched a campaign for the economic boycott of the Muslim vendors in the Bharatiya Janata Party-ruled Himachal Pradesh state of India. Devbhoomi Sangharsh Samiti, while launching the campaign, have installed the boards labelled Sanathan Sabziwala, Sanathan vegetable vendor on the stalls operated by the vegetable vendors in the Sanjauli and other parts of the state.